Hey guys, today we're working on an absolute beast. This is a 2015 Porsche GT3 and giving it a high-end sound system worthy of this car's performance. We're installing a full Helix i7 front stage system and powering it up with a Helix V12 DSP amplifier. And the best part, this is a clean wire-for-wire build with zero shortcuts. Every connection is made to factory standards or better. Let's show you how it's done. Hey guys, Josh here from Breaker Stereo and Performance. Now welcome to our channel that reviews all the best in car audio, performance, suspension, and more. Because we don't drive stock. And if you're like us, where stock just doesn't cut it, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's talk about the brand Helix, which is owned by Audiotech Fischer. This company out of Germany specializes in European vehicles. So they have lots of solutions for high-end vehicles, including Mercedes, BMW, Ferrari, Porsche, and more. If you've got a high-end European vehicle, then this company more than likely will have a solution. They make specialty adapters, including speaker adapters, speaker harnesses, and even amplifier integration harnesses, which will allow for installation of an aftermarket amplifier without cutting any wires in the vehicle. Now, just to be clear, this particular vehicle that we're working on did not have a harness available, but we went wire for wire and every connection is made to factory standards or better. So this system is designed for audio purity and performance. So here's what we're working with. The Helix V12 DSP amplifiers. This is going to give us 12 channels of controlled ultra clean power. This amplifier is rated at 75 watts times 12 at 4 ohms and 120 watts times 12 at 2 ohms. Now all these speakers are 3 ohms, so we're going to be around that 100 watts times 12 RMS. Now in order to control the digital sound processing, you're going to need a laptop or a computer along with the Audiotech software in order to control everything. But we'll go over that here in a minute. In the dash, we're going with the Helix i7 tweeters. Now these speakers are actually 4 ohms and the frequency response is 1500 hertz up to 30,000 hertz. And the sensitivity at 1 watt 1 meter is 93 dB. And these are soft tone tweeters. On this build, we opted for the tweeter adapter, making the installation extremely simple with zero modifications to the factory grille. And next we have the Helix i7 4-inch mid-range driver. Now in Europe, they go by the metric system, so these are labeled 100 millimeters instead of 4-inch. These are 3 ohm speakers and are 100 watts RMS and 150 watts max. The frequency response is 110 hertz up to 7000 hertz. And the sensitivity is 91 dB. We also opted for the flex mount adapters, allowing us to drop the speaker directly into the door panel with zero modification. And for the 8-inch woofers in the doors, we went with the Helix i7s. And in Europe, these are called 200 millimeter speakers opposed to 8-inch. These are also 3 ohm drivers, and the RMS power is 150 watts, and the peak is 225. Frequency response is 35 hertz up to 2500 hertz. And the sensitivity on these speakers is 92 dB. And we also opted for the vehicle-specific speaker rings, so these will drop directly into the door panels with, again, zero modification. Now, instead of using a plug-and-play harness because it's not available, we went wire for wire from the source to the new Helix amplifier. This allows us complete control over signal routing and speaker output while maintaining the integrity of the vehicle. Every wire is pinned and terminated with the exact standards, ensuring OEM level reliability and clean signal flow. Now with the amp fully wired and the system live, we tune it with the Audiotech Fischer DSP software. In this, we can handle time alignment, crossover slopes, and individual EQs for each speaker, along with output level matching. And what we get is an incredibly precise, lifelike soundstage that brings music to life, exactly what you would expect in this Porsche GT3. If you want your Porsche to sound as incredible as it drives and want to get it done right, this is the way to do it. High-end components, wire-for-wire craftsmanship, and the commitment to preserving the vehicle's value. If you're ready for serious audio upgrades, give us a call or stop by Breaker Stereo and Performance. Let us make your car sound as good as it looks. Okay, that's gonna do it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Again, my name is Josh. I'm with Breaker Stereo and Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.